The magic of gratitude, how it transforms our lives. Giving thanks is much more than a simple act of politeness. It is a powerful affirmation of the positive, a recognition of the goodness that floods our lives even amidst difficulties. Gratitude opens our hearts and transforms our perspective, allowing us to see abundance instead of lack, and acknowledges the generous hand of the divine. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude is crucial because it shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already possess, fostering a state of happiness and contentment. This daily recognition of our blessings has the power to alter our emotional, mental, and spiritual reality, unleashing a chain of positive thoughts and emotions that can improve our overall health, increase our resilience to stress, and deepen our connections with others. Gratitude aligns us with the very essence of what it means to be fulfilled. Through it, we recognize that every moment is a gift, and that even challenges are opportunities to grow and learn. It teaches us to appreciate the miracle of everyday life and to find the sacred in the ordinary. In the act of giving thanks, we encounter the infinite and the eternal, and we embrace our existence not as a series of random events, but as a divinely orchestrated canvas of rich and transformative experiences. For all these reasons and more, it is essential to take a step back each day to reflect and give thanks. It is a practice that enriches the soul, heals the heart, and uplifts the spirit, providing a light that illuminates even the darkest corners of our human journey. Today, like every day, we will begin the day by giving thanks. Close your eyes and with faith from your heart, repeat after me. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for my health. Thank you to the universe for raising my energy. Thank you to God because every day I have more faith in Him. Thank you for bringing the right people into my life. Thank you for life. Thank you for lighting my path. Thank you for forgiving my mistakes. Thank you for unlocking the power within me. Thank you to God for loving me. Thank you for all the life experiences I have had. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for helping me understand the process. Thank you for everything I have. Thank you for my family. Thank you for placing that trust in me. Thank you for giving health to my loved ones. Thank you for the food I have. Thank you for my home. Thank you for allowing me to live this process, which is life. Thank you for all the blessings on their way. Thank you for existing. Thank you for giving me wisdom. Thank you for sending your guides into my life. Thank you for your strength in difficult times. Thank you for joy in times of celebration. Thank you for inner peace. Thank you for the hope that is reborn every day. Thank you for the inspiration to keep going. Thank you for the beauty of the nature that surrounds me. Thank you for the music that cheers my soul. Thank you for the shared laughter. Thank you for the lessons from each challenge. Thank you for the opportunities to grow. Thank you for the generosity I find in others. Thank you for the moments of silence and meditation. Thank you for the creativity in my life. Thank you for your patience and tolerance. Thank you for the ability to love and be loved. Thank you, thank you, thank you, because I will never cease to give thanks. I thank all of you for believing in yourselves and empowering yourselves on this path to have the life you deserve. I send a big hug of light to your being. I am Zoe. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care for you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.